recently been upgrading from version 10.91 to version 11, like me, ran into a small function that is no longer available in version 11. The function I'm referring to is called GetTablesList. GetTablesList is a very handy function in version 10.91 that returns an array containing all the tables used in your current project. The PHP code looks something like this. The variable list of tables will then contain a list of all the tables used in the current project. However, this function is no longer available in version 11. The quick solution for me was to create a replacement function in version 11 that retrieves the list of tables, allowing me to keep the existing PHP code unchanged. Here is what I did. At the style editor, custom files, new file, I will name the file project functions.php and click OK. Now simply copy and paste the following code into your new PHP file. The main functionality here is that the function will only be created if it does not already exist. This makes the code backward compatible with version 10.91 as well as version 11 and later. The $PDF mode equals true parameter is retained as a compatibility wrapper when upgrading from version 10.91 to version 11. Finally, we need to include the new file in the after application initialized event. This makes the function available throughout the application while keeping the existing code unchanged. And that is it. Your existing code from version 10.91 should now simply work in version 11, which was the whole goal. Remember, this project will be available in the Community Hub. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and turning on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.